Thank you for joining us today. Today, specifically, I am doing this for personal loans, secured and unsecured personal loans. So, what are the differences? So, I'll give you some little differences here and there in time, like the loan amount, the purpose, and who qualifies for it. So, thank you for joining us. And my name is Henry Ike, the founder of Ike.Finance. So, like I said earlier, personal loans. These are quick, easy loans to set up. Easy turnaround within 24 hours from application to funding. This can be done within 24 hours. The process is so easy, simplified, electronically. Applications or the loan documents are signed electronically. So easy to do. So what is secured and unsecured? Secured finance, it's where you're looking to borrow money to buy a vehicle, motor vehicle. It could be brand new, it could be fairly used, it could be secondhand, either from a dealer or from private sale. Any of those we can do. Now, you can also be thinking of buying a motorbike, like those who want to buy a motorbike. Happy to do that. We can fund a motorbike. What else can we do? Caravan. In the season now that you want to travel, do a lot of traveling on a caravan, we can do it. What about boat? You love to go on the sea. Summer is coming up in Australia, so we can also lend you money to buy a boat. So any of those, from vehicle, motorbike, caravan, boat, we can fund them. What is the loan amount? So the loan amount is from $50,000 to $100,000, inclusive of brokerage fee. So the minimum loan term is 18 months. So we can set it up for 18 months. You want to pay it off within a quick short time, 18 months to a maximum loan term of 84 months. Minimum 18 months, maximum loan term 84 months. You can pay weekly or fortnightly with direct debit. So we set it up from your account and you make the payment either on a weekly or fortnightly basis. So that is that sums up the secured loan, personal loan. So now let's look at the little difference with unsecured personal loan. Now, unsecured, like the name suggests or implies, it's the loan that you're getting is unsecured. You're not offering any security to get this loan as long as you qualify. Now, the minimum loan amount is $5,000, and then the maximum loan amount under unsecured personal loan is $50,000. The minimum loan term is 18 months, and then the maximum is between 36 months to 84 months. So you can also pay weekly or fortnightly. Now, the key things that you need to know here is this: for unsecured personal loans, who is suitable? In other words, who can apply? So you must be 18 years and over, an Australian citizen or permanent resident, and again, like I said, over the age of 18, have no financial or unpaid default. In other words, your credit history has to be impeccable. No credit impairment or no adverse unpaid defaults. Employment is full-time, permanent, part-time. You can also be self-employed. Also, you can be in a casual employment. As long as you're in a casual employment, it must be at least 3 months or over. It can be a single applicant. In other words, the application can be only in your name, or it can be joint if you are in a relationship with your wife. And income be So obviously, we need to prove your income. You could be a homeowner or renting or boarding. So none of those are any issue. So the purpose, what is the purpose for applying for unsecured personal loan? So what can it be used for? So these are the areas that you can apply. One is you want to buy a car, but that car you don't want to offer it as a security. So you can apply for $5,000 to buy an old car. So that is allowed. You can also use it to repair cars. You have an existing car that's broken down or need fixing, so that can also fall into that. You can also use it for home renovation. So small repairs that you want to carry out in your home. So that can come under a personal unsecured loan. So you can also apply for traveling, medical, debt. So you have some debt you want to pay or consolidate that can fall into a personal unsecured finance. And some also borrow, to make up the cost of mortgage. In other words, you have a home loan that you're applying and that you need quickly to additional funding, additional funds to complete that you need it. So personal loans can be used for that. So again, like I said, it is easy to set up and easy to fund. All of this can be done within 24 to 48 hours, and the funds will be in your account. Now, if you're looking at doing any of those things, buying a boat or a new car, up to 100K, within 1 to 2 days turnaround, we're here to help. Or you are more inclined into unsecured finance between $5,000 to 50K. Again, we are here to help. So give us a call on 0402-758-171 or follow us on Ike.Finance.com.au or all our Facebook and social media handles. Until next time, when we bring you some other interesting finance tips, my name is Henry. Thank you for joining us. Have a very great day. Bye-bye.